Welcome today in front of me Lenovo TAB 48, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels on this device. So right now, as can you see, we got here the regular volume panel, and now we'll just go to the Play Store, type here the volume styles, and now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your tablet. Now just open the application, and here on the right upper corner tap to start. Here click once on the switcher, and here go to the volume styles and tap once on the switcher to use the volume style panel, and tap to yes I agree, and here you can see all the available new volume panels. And for example, we'll go in with this one, and right now, as can you see, we got here the new the volume panel. Also you can go with another one. For example, we'll try the waves, and as can you see right now, our volume styles panel has changed successfully. And just we'll go back now, and if you want, just turn off and use your regular volume panel. Just tap to stop on the right upper corner, and as can you see, you got here your default volume panel. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.